Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to recover your Discord account without using phone number or email ID. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's go straight into the process. Open any of the browser available in your device. Here I will be using Google. Here I go. At the top, you can see that search bar. Type there support.discord.com. After you are done, tap on search. Now at the top, you can see three horizontal lines. Tap on that. Tap on submit a request option. Now you can see the question, what can we help you with? Tap on that box. Choose the option help and support. Now you have to fill up this information. Firstly, you have to enter your email address that you have access with. After you are done, you have to choose the type of a question. Now you have to enter the subject. Here I will be writing account recovery. Now you have to add some description. Here I have written hi Discord support. I forgot my password and I don't have access to my email or phone number. Please help me recover my account and reset my password. My username is thank you. Now you have to choose the platform. Now if you have any of the documents or file related to your account, you can drop here. But if you don't have, no worries. After you fill up this information, you have to tap on submit, which is given at the bottom. Tap on submit. You can see that my request has successfully submitted. In this way, you can easily recover your Discord account without phone number or email ID. Now you will be getting email from Discord support in your email ID. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.